Okay. Thank you everyone for joining the PD Scrum for this week. Basically, we are going to change the format a little bit. For the updates about campaigns, I think you can update on your card like usual. But since this week we are going to focus on personal development, maybe yeah, might as well to use this slot to talk about that. Yeah, talk about the development. So that is my proposal. Or is there anything that related to any campaign that we need to talk about before we move to that discussion?
There's none from mobile app and also WordPress.
Okay, Chris, do you have anything?
The same with BVAP V2 and internal tools sih, Kak.
Okay, okay, so no urgent matters, yeah. Okay, then we will skip that and we will use that to discuss this. Basically, my first program here to improve chapter workflow.
I
Um,
will help sharing the screen ya, Kak.
oh yeah, sure. Forget that. So that is I'll share the screen. Thanks, Chris, for offering.
Yoi.
Okay, so we are going to talk about the mostly the okay. I call this document actually PD chapter culture. So the goal for this document is it will show how we spend our day-to-day operation in PD with the goal to inspire delight for other team member, and this including maybe if there's an intern that just joined us in PD, they will understand that this is the way, right? Like the Mandalorian, right? So if you're in PD, so this is the culture in PD. So the first thing, oh Chris, can you please open the culture document? Okay. So the first thing first, I think the most important thing about working in a chapter as a team is communication. So that's the first point that I'd like to talk about. I'm still not sure what we are going to discuss, but my end goal is to actually understand what should we talk about, what how should we communicate, and basically yeah, the 5W1H method. Let's start with that because we don't have any framework for this kind of discussion. So let's talk about that. What should we communicate about in PD? So this is what I'm thinking. This is what I think that will be relevant. Yeah. So in day-to-day operation, we are going to talk about something that related to campaign and project. So that including plan, goals, intention, then also difficulties, obstacle, also feedback to other people. Also when you are asking for help. So that we definitely need to talk about that, right? There's no way we can communicate without talking about this. The second one is related to career and also self development. That also we have yeah, we need to talk about that because we are basically working here in a company, right? So we need to talk about the role, the promotion, the workload, anything feedback about how your work environment feels, right? And then we also need to talk about something related to colleague because you are working with other people as well. So it we actually have the peer-to-peer session, but sometimes there's something that we I don't know. Some people don't want to share it there, so you can probably have feedback directly to a person, right? So we need to talk about that as well. And then there's social and interpersonal communication. Basically, it's a casual communication, right? Like intermezzo, getting to know each other. We also need that, and we don't need to always talk about work. Sometimes we just need to hang out. So that's that. Is there anything else that we usually need to talk about in the chapter or in the company? Let's go to Nadia.
Well, for now, I think it's already covered, but I'm still thinking whether we have more actually.
Okay, okay then. Chris, what about you?
Sama nih kak. I think
Oh,
this pretty much sums up everything already. Actually,
okay, okay. Please just cut me if you have any idea. Yeah. So let's talk about the next one. Okay, you're writing something. Okay. Now I don't know. I don't know how to answer this. Who communicate who? Basically, that should be everyone, right? Uh,
yep, should be
Yep,
everyone
should
actually.
be right.
oh wait. Think. Let me see. Okay, I think I get some idea here. So, do you guys who to talk to when you want to talk about career and self development?
You.
Okay, okay, that's me.
Yeah.
Or sometimes I talk to HR.
Okay,
Like especially during the one-on-one session, if I'm not mistaken, that was called.
okay. Yeah. Okay. Now I just thought about the format. Now, would a table will be better for this? So basically, we have what here, and then we have who, right? Let's see if that's going to work. Okay. Uh, for career, yeah. So definitely you can talk to me. Uh, okay, just wait. I think. Give me a moment.
Sure.
Ah, uh, guys, I need to pick up my food actually. Pak Gojek is here.
Oh, okay,
Okay,
sure,
okay.
sure.
Nadia, can you cover for me for a moment?
Ah, yeah, sure, sure, sure. I will do that then. Okay. Well, only me and Chris basically, yeah.
Iya nih. Oh no.
Okay. Okay. Maxwell, if you want to contribute something, feel free to speak up, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sure. So
Actually,
let's
Maxwell already dropped a questions in the discussion. we should we
um
should have coffee here actually.
yeah, we should have PD. I've texted PD, but he does not
Yep,
reply
yep, yep,
yet. Yeah, let's move forward to the this one first. Yeah. Okay,
yep.
and we have the related to career and self development, which includes role and promotion and workload. For me, actually, I usually talk to Kabayu or HR. What about you, Chris?
The same actually. I usually talk to Kak Bayu instead of HR.
Mm.
Yep.
Okay, well, what I mean by HR is because during the one-on-one session, they usually like talk about, our workload, our things like
Yep,
that.
yep,
So
yep.
that's why I mentioned HR. So you mostly talk to Kabayu, yeah?
Yep. HR as the same see on one-on-one session as well.
Ah, okay, we can include that. Okay, back to you, Kabayu.
What you can continue. Okay.
Okay, okay. Um, Next to the what is it? Let's go to the first one then. The related campaign and projects. About plan, goals, intention, difficulties or obstacle, feedback, and asking for help. Over to you, Chris.
Oh, I think this
Um,
is related to of course team members
yep, yep.
per chapter in a way, and also like our clients itself themselves actually.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, kind of if we yeah clients and PD members in a way.
Yep, yep. I do agree. If it's related to campaign and projects, mostly it's back again to our team as the stakeholders and clients included.
Okay, let's call it stakeholder. Yeah.
Yep.
Or okay, more specific actually. So what I'm is there anything else? where, when, no. So basically, this there's some some problem with the campaign and project communication usually is communicating plan, right? That's
Yeah.
the most common problem with communicating in project is the plan. We are very used to reporting, right? So if we have done something, we report it. Yes, that's already happened, but we don't know if there's no report, or basically we don't know what everyone is up to in the communication, right? like like for example, okay, for example, in the bug, right? So when we assign someone, we usually just uh, assign the person, Bayu will work on this, right? But that's it. We don't know what, or everyone else don't know what I'm going to do to make that bug fixed, right? So that is apa namanya ya? It's kind of it's kind of work if the report is not too long to take a report, but it's a problem if it's taking time to work on that. Like remember, Chris, we have the review problem, right? The sending a automated writing review, right?
Automated guest review,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. So that issue is coming from April or June, right?
Yep,
It's
yep.
taking very long time, and there's already assigned PO for that, and then there's a developer for that, but we don't know whether you are working on that or not, right?
Yep.
Because we don't have a culture of writing a plan. So we don't know whether you are still working on that or not, or do you want to delegate it or not, right? So I think that also needs to be developed in this culture, right? At least if you cannot work on that, you can update it. Like I'm going to postpone this project for next week, for example. Okay, if someone read that, then oh, okay, that there's a plan for that. The plan is to postpone this, and if you are going to work on this this afternoon, then you can also write it down right there. So would that who will benefit from that if we are doing this kind of apa namanya practice?
Planning. I think both the team stakeholders, Ika, maybe,
Everyone.
yeah, everyone. So first, for the team members, no, see, for the clients to know that what they can expect actually, because that's their problem, right? And we need to fix that. And the second one is actually to give info to other member as well. So, if somehow there are people that can help, or maybe we just need an update on what's going on, they can see in the card activity as well.
Hmm.
As simple
Okay.
as that, Sisne.
Okay, so the first one is okay. Let's call the actor some. Okay, if let's say if we are building a new feature and currently it's on the design stage, right? So Nadia needs to do something about that, about the design plan. What do we call Nadia right now? It's the person that's need to do something, like when Nadia finish, and then the person that need to do something is Chris to develop it, right? So the active user, who's the active user? What's the okay, let's call it active user first, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
so this person need to uh, apa ya namanya, state their plan. Right. So if this is a design stage, then Nadia will state that Nadia will do something, will create prototype or something like that. Okay. Do we need a response for this kind of information?
if 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 everyone agree, I mean, if the information is informative enough, I think everyone just can like the thumbs up things. But if they have like something to comment on and comment on that thing, on that activity,
Okay.
that's
Yep, I agree.
Okay. So basically, it's concerned, yeah, concerned party, right? So like, yeah, if you're working something, but I'm not in that project, I don't need to respond to that because that's just adding more noise, right? But let's say Chris is mentioning Nadia's name, maybe or Nadia is mentioning Chris' name. The design is delayed. Please give me 2 more days, and then Chris just thumbs up or something like that, right?
Yep.
Okay. So basically, uh, apa namanya, efficient communication. We don't need to write like long paragraph if it's not necessary, but if it's necessary, also we have to do that as well. Okay, is there any other people that need to be included in this communication related to campaign and project?
perhaps to VD. VD just go.
Fidi, are you here?
Yes,
Okay.
no, I think that's fair. Just the people that is related, right? The one that is that we want to address to, right? If we want to just talk to the developer, then just the developer needs to reply. The other party doesn't need to reply. So yeah, minimum the minimal information. Not really. Like people who like just require information. See.
Mm. Okay. So basically, the I think we already have done that, but we usually our current culture is on the end side, right? The
Yep.
reporting side. Currently, we haven't communicated the plan side. So I think this is could be the highlight of this discussion. Yeah, that we need to tell other people that we are going to do something. We are going to take action on that. Okay, that's good. Okay, should we talk about the where directly, or we need to go to another part first? Okay, let's talk about the platform as well. Yeah. So this should be easy. This is, everything is on Trello, right?
Yep. Yep.
Trello card for the project. Um,
And sometimes also on paper, Zika.
paper, yeah, paper. Okay, that's it then. So Mm, yeah, I think all of this kind of communication should be written communication, right? Um, and not like not verbal communication because otherwise it will be lost.
Mhm.
Yeah, if someone told you that they have difficulties and there's no written communication, we don't know the reason why the project is not finished, right?
Yep.
Mhm.
Okay, that's any objection on that?
Nope.
No? Oh, good. Okay. What else? When? Okay. Should we talk about when? I don't know if this framework is suitable or not. When should we communicate this? Uh, Beginning,
as as needed.
process, ending. I
Yep.
think yeah. I think we need to set the boundaries, right? If we just say that whenever it's needed, then probably it don't have any standard, right? So
Mm-hmm.
the beginning, it means just the plans and assignment maybe. So yeah, the beginning of the project we will talk about the plan. I will do this, you do that, blah blah blah. That's the kind of communication that we have. Then during the process is uh, yeah, friction.
The execution, right? Probably.
Oh yeah, okay. Okay, result, yeah, result of execution, yeah.
And also, for example, like in the difficulties, obstacles, is it
Yep,
part of the process too?
yep. Obstacles, and then feedback. Okay, that kind of thing, yeah. And then ending. And the ending is of course report or conclusion, yeah. Okay, so basically everything that finish need to have a report, right? And need to say to be said that it's finished. We are agreed that this is will be moved to done, for example.
Yes.
Okay. So every project, every feature, every bug fix should have this beginning and then the process documentation and also ending. Okay, that sounds good, yeah.
Yes, Kak.
Okay, and then the why. I guess. Oh, we have discussed the why, but should we document that as well? Why and how is that important?
Usually, why is actually the most important one sih, Kak.
Okay. Why, Chris? Why we should do this kind of communication with all of this detail?
Yang pertama ini kan related to campaign and
Yeah,
project.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. For my side, it's so we can have smoother, what is it? Of course, smoother communication, but also like everything is clear enough. I mean, like every stakeholders know the information that is going on in the projects or something related to this stuff, and everything just pretty clear at the end of the day. So we know exactly what's happening, what's the difficulties that is being held on the process, and how's the ending of the project itself sih. So more on itu sih Kak, timelinenya aja jadi semuanya jelas gitu.
Mm. Okay. That's I think that's summarized it. Yeah. Any other thought, Nadia or Vidi? Okay, so
Um, it's if it's related to the campaign or projects, I think that's already clear for the why part.
okay. That's a good why. Yeah, and then what the last one is how. Okay. This is interesting. I need to attach this document actually. Alif, I think I have that. Have that. Do you remember the best practice in writing?
Communication, the report ya kak ya.
Yeah, report. Where is that? Yeah.
I think it's on all hands archive kayaknya nggak sih?
Oh yeah.
Or is there any separate
No, it's
documentation
not
about
on
it?
the archive. I think it's on the all hands, right? I think I saw that attached somewhere. Mm, no, cannot find it. Apa ya judulnya ya itu ya?
Yeah, I thought it was also in the guest funnel discussion because Alif is in the guest funnel, right? The reporting, but I can't find it as well. I'll have to check.
Okay. Vidi, if you remember that, can you attach it here? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So this is refer to Alif's documentation. Okay, I'll tag Vidi then. Okay. Basically, for everyone that never seen that documentation, it's explaining how to write a good apa ya namanya report gitu. So a good report is some report that's helping people before they even ask for that, right? Like for example, expressing your thought as well. So okay, real example is this: if I'm fixing a bug, for example, right, and then it's not working. So what I do is not just writing that uh, I'm trying to fix it, but still not working. That is not giving any information, but giving more questions, right?
Yeah.
People will ask more about that. Why it's not working? What did you try? Right. So instead of doing that, what we can do is we uh, okay. Let's see. Oh, thanks, Maxwell. Ah, yes, I think this one.
Oh,
Yep,
yeah.
yep, yep. That's very good, Maxwell. Thank you. I'll touch it here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This let's have a look at this very quick.
Very.
Wait, wait. Chris is sharing the screen. Yeah. Forget.
Yeah. The whereby Chris. It's on whereby Maxwell shared it. It's included in the onboarding, yeah, Maxwell. Eh?
Yep, the general material.
Oh, general material then.
Hmm. Okay, so there is a section like in the background, right? Okay, number one, background. Before making a report, include the background of this report to provide clarity to audience. So this is building context, basically. So related to what and blah blah blah, why this is matter, why I'm doing this, things like that. And then the second one is observation. Uh, what have you observed like in the bugs, for example, then what I observe if that this particular thing function is not working if I do this, but it's working when I do this, this happened in this file, and then I run it on the server, blah blah blah, things like that. So everything that you have observed. Hypothesis, this is something that it's usually missed, right? uh, uh, because I think we are afraid to fail in the report, right? As simple as report. But it's okay actually to fail. So let's say, for example, you write your hypothesis. So if you find a bug, then you can write down something like, "I suspect that this is the thing that created the bug. I will need to check about this particular function and run it locally and isolate only this function, and everything should be working." That's the hypothesis, right? And then the solution is the solution that you are going to make, actually to implement that, to test it. And then if you have any doubt as well for yourself, you you can also uh, apa namanya, add your doubt or add your questions in your own report. So that makes a very informative communication, right? Because basically the person that's reading that is like talking to you, like basically like you are explaining everything without they even asking. And I think this is also a good hospitality practice, right? Has anyone watched the movie the Grand Budapest Hotel?
No.
Okay. Oh, you should watch it if you haven't, right? It's very artistic movie, Wes Anderson. So you will be pleased with the visual and with the audio, but also the message is really good. So there's a boy. His name is Zero, right? And he's basically an apprentice as a lobby boy in a hotel, like in the 30s or something. So there's a line that in the beginning of the movie that talk about hospitality. Why the Grand Budapest Hotel is a really good hotel. It's because uh, they make the guests feel that they don't need anything. The guests never ask for anything, basically. Uh, how they can achieve that? So the example is this: if someone is walking into the lobby waiting area, and if they are reaching for something on their pocket, and then it's a cigarette. Then someone from the hotel, the lobby boy, they will what they will do is they will bring lighter to that person, even before that person thinking about how I get a lighter here. So it's already provided even before they asking for that. And once they light the light, then the lobby boy also will bring ashtray, because that's the logical thing to do, right? When someone is smoking, they would need an ashtray. So that is really really good thing. How can we do that for other people? It's a very difficult thing, right? It's something that needs to be trained every day, basically, to think about what this person might probably need just after this, right? And I seen some people doing that already without thinking, right? People like, I think, siapa ya? I think in Beefy, uh, wait, I forget who ever done that. Yeah, basically that person will like oh yeah, actually the person that Jing mentioned this morning, Chandra Dewi, she's not in Beefy because continuing her study. But things like if someone bring food to the office in the box, for example, with its packaging, what she will do is not just take the packaging, right? What she will do is she will go to the kitchen first and take some plate or things like that, and then suddenly there's a plate for the food, right? Even before anyone say that, oh, we need a plate for the food. That's a very logical thing, right? If we have food, we need a plate. But how to prepare the plate before even we need it, that's some special skill. So this is the same with this documentation. Uh, that's okay. That's the inspiration from this documentation. Uh, any thoughts from anyone?
I think the example that you gave is actually very inspirational, Kak. And through this form of reporting, and if everyone could read what Alif has documented, I think it would be very beneficial for everyone. Especially, it doesn't only help other people, but it actually helps yourself. It's just like in the case that where when Kabayu just now mentioned, okay, the bug doesn't work, the fix doesn't work because of this. Then maybe other people who has insights can also like provide solutions as well, right? Given the call the context.
Yep, exactly. And that's also, I like it because that's actually my weakness. Chris just told me that yesterday, right? I sometimes forget about something. Like when we discuss about something today, then we decided something, and then okay, we have a deal for that, right? Then we didn't write anything, and then the next day I would forget about that, and then we made the another decision that's that's the opposite maybe, and that's just useless use of time, basically. So yeah, I guess I think this would help us uh, to have a better, apa ya namanya, it's communication basically lah. Okay, let's continue to the next thing. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We are spending a long time to discuss about this. So let's make it good. Yeah. Uh, the next one is related to career and self development. Okay. I think Nadia and Chris has discussed that. That you can talk to me, of course, about your career and also HR as well. Um, where anywhere you can just Slack, maybe Slack or Google Meet or Discord. That pretty much anywhere. It doesn't have to be written communication. It could be just verbal communication as well, because sometimes it would be easier to talk in person for that. When I guess that's anytime. For me, that's anytime. You can talk to me about that anytime. And uh, why? Okay, let's go to Chris and Nadia then. Why this is why we need to talk about this? Do you think?
Hmm, lol. Gimana ya? Bentar.
For me, because I need to apa sih meluruskan jalan.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. To clarify things, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Or clarify doubts. Yeah, yeah. That's very important actually. Yeah, especially because it's related to your career, right? You need to be certain about that. Okay. Um, how? Whatever way you want, right? Actually, I don't see how. Yeah. I don't know. Okay. Any ideas of how the best idea for how we communicate this thing?
Nah, no. Mungkin ya, I don't know. Maybe from Chris and Nadia sih. I don't know. Usually, if I communicate about like uh care and self development, it's been a while ya. Usually to Mr. Jing, Kabayu, it's just like normal talking sih. I don't know.
Okay. Okay. So
Yeah.
no specific ini ya.
For
No
me, it's like
specific
normal
practice.
talking.
Okay. 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 That's okay. That's okay.
Yeah.
I think not everything should follow the template, right? Okay.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yes.
Sorry,
Yes.
I actually breaking just now. Oh my
Oh, okay.
goodness.
Okay. Are you going to say something, Chris?
Oh yes, actually on the how, tadi aku mau bilangnya apa dah?
Hmm?
Just be open and vulnerable actually when doing this kind of thing.
Okay, that's very good. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. That's really good actually. And well, okay, okay. That's really good.
Apaan sih kok
Uh,
ngeri-ngeri?
Candid, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's yeah, yeah. I agree with that actually. Yeah, yeah.
Do you guys still see my black screen? Lol.
No, I see the screen that you are sharing.
Oh, okay. Is it moving?
No, now it's gone.
It's
Oh, okay,
done.
okay.
Yeah.
Let me
Yeah.
reshare. Uh, can you guys now see?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Now the next thing related to colleague. Okay, so this is the feedback. Yeah, I guess this is between anyone. Uh, so this, let's say, person to person, where we have the P2P, and then we have the, I don't know, and that's the normal thing. But the more private way, I guess. Oh, okay. Yeah, person to person. This is the best way. If you have feedback to anyone. Oh, the paper crash. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So basically, this kind of things are basically, if you have feedback to anyone on your team, the first thing you can do is you can just talk to that person directly, or you can give feedback uh, in wait. What is it called? In a team setting. That's on the P2P, or you can talk to HR, or you can to talk to me, to chapter lead, basically about that person, right? And that's okay too. Where we have the P2P, any communication channel basically, and when is that? I think that should be as soon as possible. Yeah. And why this is important? I think we've learned our lesson. Well, Chris, do you have anything to add for this?
Oh, wait a minute. Aku buka TikTok pula ya. Bentar, bentar.
Yeah, you have a reference for that.
I actually have actually for being vulnerable. Nanti deh, nanti aku attach aja.
Okay, okay, sure.
Okay. For this one, feedback to peers, the why ya kak ya?
Mm.
Actually by doing this, I think we can maintain uh, relationship better and make the work environment more inspiring, delight if we can stay, yeah, something like that lah.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
and also improve each other at the end of the day. Actually,
Yeah, I tend to agree to the second statement sih, trying to improve each other
oh yeah, trying to
Mm.
improve each other's.
like healthily sih yang paling penting.
Yep.
Because if we do not like point out the mistakes, for example, like if Kabayu or me, we have mistakes and then no one pointed out, but I believe for me, everyone will point it out as well. See, but like Kabayu, yeah, this is just being transparent, right? For Kabayu, a lot of people will feel reluctant to say anything, right?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's what I'm
so
always
that's not
telling
healthy.
people. Right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I, yeah. So we have to yeah, that's the first part actually, maintain healthy work environment and also improve each other.
Hmm. Yeah. 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 Okay. This is very good point. Why we need to do this, and how should we do that? What is the best way to
Currently, it's the
have this kind of thing?
peer-to-peer review, kan?
Mm. Okay. That
Currently, yeah.
okay. Vidi, I have actually a feedback for that. That peer to peer usually still have the topics that people don't want to put it there. So it that system have some drawbacks as well,
Yep.
basically. Yeah. So I think what we can do is we can do this in the spirit of growth, yeah, in the spirit of improving, instead of like point finger, basically, right? So uh,
What do point finger itu gimana kak?
here, okay, not to blame other, basically.
Oh, okay.
So okay, so when we are talking about feedback, usually what comes to mind is that we are talking about someone's weaknesses, or why this person is failed and things like that, basically, right? We are focusing on the factor that makes that person not good, right?
Mhm.
So instead of doing that, I think we can focus on how to make that person cover their weaknesses, or apa namanya, overcome their weaknesses. So that is the spirit of this conversation.
Hmm. I see. So including like what are the actionables to be improved for the weaknesses, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, it maybe already started, yeah, on the peer to peer, like the thing that you need to improve this month, right? Something like that. That is actually apa namanya ya, passive aggressively talk about someone's weaknesses, right? Like let's say uh, let's say someone tell me just but you need to be more apa namanya, need to apa sih namanya, uh, to bercanda gitu, to apa sih namanya, less serious, right?
To
Less
be more
serious.
playful lah. Be more
Yeah, yeah,
playful
more
gitu.
playful, right? So that is actually for me is for me personally, I would take that as something that's inspiring, oh yeah, okay, oh, someone want me to be more playful. uh, uh, Kebalikannya adalah if someone tell me that
Too serious.
Bayu is too serious, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
That for me is negative. Why? Because we are working, we should be serious, right? And I cannot be, I don't think being serious is a weakness, right? So it's the same thing but result in different feeling, right? So I
Yep,
think
yep, yep, yep.
yeah, I think we can set that up correctly by let's say how we call this. Uh, okay, in the spirit of apa namanya? Uh,
Tadi Kak Baya spirit of growth sih Kak.
okay, is that okay? Growth or apa namanya? Improving ya atau apa sih namanya? Membuat
The spirit of
membuat
growth.
orang lebih baik itu apa?
Mm,
Helping others to become
better.
better.
Right.
Yeah, it's
Helping
our core value, right? It's help
Others
others
help
to help
themselves.
themselves.
become better or and help themselves. Yeah.
Growth mindset juga.
Okay, that's actually pretty good. Takeaway. Yeah, how we can talk about that. This will be a great reminder actually. Uh, like me, usually forget about this as well. So this definitely will be a good documentation for us. Okay, should we move to the next one?
I think so.
Okay. Okay, social and interpersonal communication. I think this is we don't need rule for this, yeah. But it should be for
Just
with
just
everyone,
chill aja lah semuanya itu.
right? Okay, but oh yeah, but is there any mandatory social and casual
Ah,
communication that we should have?
Kak Bayu, actually in my last donut date, I think
Hmm?
this week or last week ya, Kak
Hmm?
Kak Ara, I have this session with Kak Ara kan actually.
Hmm?
So she mentioned that does PD have their own what is it chapter time to relax gitu. Karena
Hmm?
on HR actually they have like movie night and so on and so forth.
Hmm?
So Kak Ara is asking that kind of thing. So does PD have it? So we can have like more bonding session and so on and so forth, like official bonding session and so on and so forth like that. Yeah,
Hmm? Okay.
probably we can make like
Smash
this can
cut.
be yeah ya kayak gitu sih Kak. Jadi kayak apa this probably we can improve on that kind of things as well untuk social and interpersonal communications gitu yang kita official made. Kalau kayak BI kan they have BI day kan kalau VD kan.
Yep.
Hmm?
Nah, probably PD can have apa something as well yang nggak terlalu itulah, nggak terlalu berat juga lah. Smash cut sih kita bantai-bantai aja. Hehehe.
But I think that's really good. Apa namanya activity actually. Oke, that's okay. Itu di WHO-nya berarti kan masih di dalam PD-nya sendiri. Should we also socialize with other chapter as well? Karena kalau kalau yang aku lihat tuh kayak aku kasihan ya kayak Stefan atau Aze atau Nico is better ya on that. Like when I think we can improve this if there's someone interning here in Bukit Vista, they need to know about the other part of the company as well gitu. Mungkin udah ada sih platformnya kayak happy hour gitu, tapi it's just once a week, right? And I think the best setting is kayaknya working on the same project and things like that. Atau mungkin kita bikin event yang kayak tadi itu kayak kayak PD hour gitu kan, yang kita invite other outsider juga gitu untuk mengenal orang itu atau apa namanya mereka mengenal kita gitu.
Ya itu agak masih susah sih. Cuman I don't know.
I think now it's like helped by HR with their donut date, so we got to know other chapter member better.
Oh, oke.
But do we need to do that in PD?
Donut
Yeah.
date itu ini multiple chapter gitu ya?
Ya multiple chapter Kak.
Yep.
Absolutely.
Okay, I guess we can follow with that as well. Uh, but yeah, actually, yeah, outside PD we can do like the happy hour. That also includes, right? Donut date, and then probably what inter chapter project, things like that, right? and where it I think the best way to do this is in-person meeting, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I think there's no way to socialize in written communication. It will be a little bit difficult. Yeah. Okay. Meetings. Uh, when should we have a benchmark for this, like minimum exposure to other people?
Uh, nggak tahu sih kalau ini kayak secukupnya aja.
Yeah. Like usually like PD members like me, PD or Chris, we usually just stand by on Discord and just talk about random things
Okay,
doing
so
while doing
that's
our work.
so that's everyone except me. Yeah.
Iya, ini Kak Bayu mau ikutan nggak?
You join, Kak. Kamu join.
Okay. Okay.
Malah
I
ini
will. I
harusnya
will do that.
pertanyaannya, this kind of question should be addressed to you, Kak, not us.
Yes, true.
Okay. Shit. Okay. I have to double meeting ya kalau kayak gitu ya. Okay, and I think that's good. That's probably let's say lunchtime. I will try to join every lunchtime or any time after. Kayaknya biasanya setelah jam 5 ya. Setelah jam 5 it's always
Itu sih Kak, actually menurut aku for this itu kayak secukupnya aja. I mean like if you feel like, kan biasa kita juga random nih.
spontaneous.
Ya, spontaneous aja. Jadi nggak
Yeah.
perlu dipaksain gitu loh.
Usually,
Actually.
like even for the others, Discord is actually a very good media,
Yep,
right?
yep.
It's just spontaneous when I'm doing work. For example, I'm coding. I just like hop into Discord and someone will join in and listen to music, just randomly talk while doing work and so on and so forth. Yeah, it's normal, spontaneous.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good idea actually. Okay, and the why is there any big reason why we should do this?
Because we're human and we are social creature.
No,
No, that's just jokes.
that's right. Actually. Okay. Mm, okay. I guess we know the reason ya, but kata-katanya gimana gitu ya? What is why? Like, VD biasanya have the best reason for this.
Uh, like camaraderie sih sebenarnya, lebih ke camaraderie karena that's the spirit of Bukit Vista for some reason. That's what makes Bukit Vista different from other workplace. The camaraderie is different. When you just know you actually feel like you're not just colleagues, something like that.
Ya, kayak belongs to nggak sih?
Belonging ya, increase sense of belonging sih.
Yep.
Yeah, kayak someone who's rarely talk to other member, like previously maybe Nico, yeah, I think, yeah, or like say feel detached from the chapter sih.
Yeah.
Increase sense of belonging sih.
Oh, we can say like, so we can have many to many relationship.
Right. Very technical. Okay. Yeah. A way to feel detached from the friends. Okay, that's a good reason. And how we should do that? Is there a apa namanya? The best way to approach it first? Okay, who's the best person that who's the best socialize? Who's the best person in socializing here?
Iyalah, of course. Socialita, socialite,
Socialita.
Elvi.
Okay, yes, socialita. How should we do that, Nadia?
Yeah. Our spokesperson tadi ya sih in BD.
Right. Yeah, that's right.
I don't know, Kak. I usually just if I saw like if someone in the Discord, I would just like hop and then like say hi, or we just like listen to the music together and say random thing. That's how I do usually. So I don't know how.
Okay, but for someone that didn't understand how to do that, how would you How would you teach? How would you teach me or teach anyone else here?
Wow, that's hard.
Well, what should I do? What should I do first?
Open up yourself first. I mean, be there first. I think the thing is like be there first.
Okay, that's good. Apa namanya ya? Be present ya.
Yeah,
Be
be present first.
That's actually, yeah, that is related to the next thing here, availability. Make yourself available. Yeah, that is really good. Yep, yep. Random sync up, random scrum. Yeah, I think that's a good way to start it. Okay, anything else, Nadia or Chris or
Oh,
Michael or not Michael? Yeah, Maxwell. Yeah, sorry,
Yeah.
Max. Max, do you have any suggestion? How can we be more available to you?
Hmm, not yet sih kak.
No, okay. Chris or Nadia?
probably Nika, for social and interpersonal communications, I just want to give a note apa. This kind of thing is not mandatory, so don't force yourself in a way. Karena
Mm,
kayak apa, make it for relaxing, not a kayak responsibility gitu loh, in a way.
okay.
Yeah, just want to note that part as well.
Okay, so do it for fun.
Yep. Don't forget to have fun actually.
Okay, that's good. I think we answered everything about the communication. Is there any other subject that's not covered in this four topic in the what column that we usually talk about or
Uh,
that we haven't talked about? No, yeah.
I think for now it's enough kak. I think with along the way kita masih bisa feel lagi sih kalau ketemu yang kayak gini.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, that's it then. That's the discussion for today. Yeah. Surprisingly, this only one topic
Topic.
for communication. We need 1 hour to discuss that. But I think this is good. Yeah, I think we can build a better communication by knowing about this and why it's important actually. Okay.
Actually, I want to add something.
Yep.
Actually, it will be what is it, like maybe kind of useless if it just stay between the current member.
Hmm?
So like perhaps like the upcoming trial, this culture should be in their, I would say,
Yes.
like onboarding
In the novice
materials.
campaign, they have to
Yeah,
live with this, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This we will include this in the onboarding in the trial. Basically, this is the culture. You will not survive without this culture. Basically, right? This is the culture to make yourself helpful for others. Yeah. Basically, yeah. This for new members and old members as well. I need to practice this. Okay. That's it then for today. Yeah. I'm probably
Actually, may I
yes,
add
yes,
something?
yes, Chris.
Probably do you guys have still have more times to discuss something?
No, yeah, sure, sure, sure.
So actually, Maxwell ini ya. Do you have question ya actually ya?
Oh,
Yeah. But I have a class at 3 p.m. Wibin right
Oh,
now.
okay,
But
okay.
maybe a little ini ya. Can I use Indonesia for?
yeah, 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 sure,
Sure, sure,
sure.
sure, sure,
Oke.
sure.
Jadi kan dari BI ini kemarin ada satu DS namanya Anthony. Dia kan buat ER diagram tentang database yang BV punya nih. Nah, cuman menurut dia dan ada satu DS lainnya, katanya database kita itu sekarang kayak over normalize gitu. Ada
Hmm?
di drive itu tuh. Jadi sekarang mau nanya kayak pendapat dari PD, apakah benar over gak sih normalize-nya? Atau perlu di restructure gak untuk sekarang database kita?
Oke.
What
Chris siapa dulu? Kak
uh,
Chris.
bentar. Ini kok kayak gini ya? What do you mean by over normalize ya, Maxwell?
Like there is too many table.
Oh, too many tables.
Uh,
Ini itu
actually,
data, bentar ya kayak database yang mana ya? Data warehouse kah atau production book bigger? Bukit
In
Vista.
the title of the drive, AWS Pro.
Aduh, kok aku nggak bisa
Di
ini
zoom,
sih?
ya di zoom deh, di zoom pakai manual di
ya ini
drive-nya.
di
Set,
nah ini guys
setting. Yap.
bisa di zoom kan?
Di
Oh no. Oke. Oke. Oke, lanjut dulu. Siapa? Maxwell?
Ya, jadi kayak kemarin saya juga nanya ini kan, Kak Vidi kan. Dari Kak Vidi yang sering kayak querying buat SQL itu, menurut dia saya tanya apakah pas dia querying kebanyakan joins function gak sih? Terus dia bilang kadang iya gitu, karena tabelnya kebanyakan. Jadi sekarang kayak mau nanya dari pendapat Vidi, apakah perlu gak sih kita normalize database gitu? Soalnya dari BI kan, we have a little knowledge ya, tentang hal-hal ini. Jadi nanya kayak ahlinya. So what do you think?
Chris?
Oke. Kalau dari aku, I think the whole idea of normalization is actually itu kan apa kita pecah semua relationship supaya dia jadi entity paling kecil, which means that if we have more tables, I think that's okay, Maxwell. Malah yang masalah di database kita yang sekarang itu banyak banget, misalnya for example ya, booking for example, ini banyak banget data yang sebenarnya kita bisa pecah ke tabel-tabel yang lebih kecil. Jadi kalau misalnya kebanyakan left join or something, if it is make sense and follow the normalization rule, I think that's not a problem sebenarnya. Kalau dari in my perspective ya. That's from my perspective actually.
Oh ya, mau nambahin dikit tadi.
Yep.
Jadi yang menurut DS tadi itu kayak ini over normalize gitu. Jadi yang mereka harapkan itu, mereka pikir gitu, apakah perlu di normalize, digabungin lagi biar lebih dikit.
Concernnya ini Maxwell. Jadi apa namanya? Kalau validation biasanya concernnya, kayak misalnya gini, kita kan banyak filter tuh ketika bikin data visualization atau ngumpulin data gitu. Kayak misalnya, let's say booking source gitu ya. Booking source kalau kalau kita bikin apa namanya di normalize gini, kita gampang ketika kita mau filter booking source is equal to one gitu misalnya. Itu gampang, dan kenapa itu akan lebih gampang? Karena kalau kita kasih nama booking source Airbnb gitu misalnya, atau booking source booking.com gitu. Nah, kita pakai di reference tabelnya kalau kita pakai ini, karena kita ngirim data ke front end dalam bentuk eh, apa namanya, data juga gitu, kayak booking source satu artinya adalah Airbnb gitu kan, dengan reference table-nya itu. Nah, in the future kita misalnya Airbnb ganti nama gitu, jadi Airbed gitu misalnya. Nah, kita nggak akan punya masalah dengan mengganti semua di table booking ini untuk booking source. Semua apa namanya row akan kita ganti, yang tulisannya Airbnb diganti jadi Airbed gitu misalnya. Itu kita nggak akan punya problem itu. Uh, Kalau kita apa namanya punya reference table kayak gini, kita tinggal ganti satu doang. Jadi description-nya di table-nya itu booking source yang satu, text description-nya adalah airbed gitu. Dari Airbnb diganti airbed. Jadi cuma satu yang perlu diganti. Nah, itu consideration-nya untuk kenapa kenapa kita biasanya apa namanya normalize di tables and relation gitu. Karena yang kita pas ke front end adalah data dari back end termasuk teksnya juga. Kecuali kalau development kita beda ya, kayak misalnya kita pas ke front end dengan bentuk angka gitu, misalnya booking source 1, 2, 3, 4, terus nanti akan ditranslate-nya di front end. Ada library sendiri di front end, satu adalah Airbnb, dua adalah booking.com, itu mungkin nggak masalah. Tapi untuk sekarang development-nya kita ngikutin pattern yang kayak gini gitu. Nah, itu sih sebenarnya yang apa namanya yang kita ikutin, yang kita implement untuk developmentnya sekarang. Dan kalau kita mau apa namanya istilahnya apa namanya kita mau nge-refactor ini untuk digabungin ke tabelnya, itu bagian tabel yang mana gitu dan kenapa. Kita butuh itu sih sebenarnya Maxwell, kita butuh apa namanya analisisnya dulu. Misalnya join mana yang jadi lambat gitu, apa namanya table-table join dari table-table mana yang karena normalized itu jadi lambat performance-nya gitu. Ya, mungkin kalau kita tahu itu, jadi kita tahu mana yang perlu di refactor. Nggak harus semuanya, tapi mungkin table-table yang bikin performance-nya turun aja. Jadi sebenarnya masalah over normalize ini kan hubungannya sama performance saja kan. Kalau misalnya over normalize terus performance-nya turun karena terlalu banyak join. Nah, kita Maksud tahu nggak ininya apa namanya eh, performance mana yang turun yang disebabkan oleh ini over normalized.
Ini mungkin lebih cocok ke KVD sih sebenarnya. Kan KVD yang lebih banyak querying.
Oh
Mungkin
yeah,
ntar saya tanya
actually,
KVD.
I think I missed one. Tapi I want to ask one questions. What's the problem with over normalized ini ya? Over normalized database ini? Ya kata
Performance guys.
performance ya. Oke.
Performance sekarang kebanyakan join. Oke. Mungkin Maxwell bisa ini nggak bisa mungkin kasih kasih kita lebih banyak data. Misal mungkin kamu tanya sama Vidi ya, kira-kira tipe-tipe join yang kayak gimana dan dipakai di mana, yang performance-nya udah turun dikarenakan masalah ini gitu. Mungkin dari situ nanti kita bisa discuss lagi gimana caranya kita bisa improve performance-nya untuk tabel-tabel itu.
Oke, Kak. I see.
Oke. Okay, so that's it ya. We will continue the discussion on paper ya berarti ya. Nanti kalau
Oke.
kamu punya proposal juga kamu bisa attach aja di situ.
Oke.
That's it then for the discussion for today. It's overtime already. Anything else from anyone?
None for me.
Okay, all good ya. Thank you everyone and
All
have a
good.
good day. See
Have a
you.
good day, everyone.
Thank you,
See you.
and enjoy your holiday.
Enjoy your holiday. Yeah.